I have an unboxing from Cubelelo today, and in this package I have the new RS3M 2020, and along with that I've got some extra magnets to increase the magnetic strength. Here's the Cubelelo stand, so we'll just put these two things aside. Moving on to this cube, the box looks nice, it's pretty damaged, so I'll just open it. So in this we should have some extra parts for this cube, probably the dual adjustment system and all. And we have another stand from the Moyu. So moving on to the cube, this is wrapped in this plastic wrapping. So the colors look really nice, they are very vibrant. So moving on to the first turn. Wow. The cube is really fast, but it's very smooth. The magnetic strength is actually pretty decent in my opinion. It's not that weak. It's probably more towards the medium strength. Yeah, the corner cutting out of the box, easily 45, over 45 in fact. The shades are really nice. I'm glad they made the shades more vibrant. So I'll just do a quick solve on this. Alright. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so it seems like a very good cube. So I'll loop this up and set it up, and I'll put out a review very soon. So stay tuned for that, and hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and you'll see some solves in the end of this video. So thank you for watching.